Hi all, welcome to my channel Greenworldinvestor, a platform for personal finance for beginners. Here we talk about different instruments as well as financial offerings that will go a long way towards accumulating savings as well as taxation decisions, as well as a result of which you will end up being financially independent. We also cover topics on money saving tips as well as stock analysis. So I am Sneha, a chartered accountant by profession, and I have worked in the securities industry in the past. I write extensively on mutual funds, ETFs, as well as stocks, and my work has been published on Seeking Alpha, Insider Monkey, equities.com, Simply Save Dividends, etfdb.com. I strive to publish 4 to 5 articles per week, and I want to educate beginners who are just starting their financial journey to make informed, better financial decisions, also to save them from the misselling that is so prevalent in our country. My USP is to drive a heavy concept home in a simple and straight language which is easy to understand by all, even if they are not from a financial background. So I urge you to hit the subscribe button so that we get to know each other better. Thank you.